Hello, good morning, Madam Sir.
Oh, good morning, Alfonso. Why are you here?
I have something important to say. I really like your daughter, Madam, and I can tell this to her.
We're not accepting suitors now. Carmelita is still studying.
I will wait until it's the right time, sir. I will prove myself that Carmelitas deserve me. So, can I have your permission to court her?
Let's give him our permission. He seems like a good guy.
Just don't hurt my daughter, or else I'll hunt you.
O ilaw sa gabing madilim, wangis mo'y bituin sa langit.
Please, allow me to express my feelings to you. I am so in love with you. I am not in the business of denying myself the simple pleasure of saying true things. So please, allow me to court you.
The thing with men is that they're only good with words, not deeds.
I show you, nevertheless, that I'm not like other men.
Let's see what you've got.
Girl, who's that man, huh? You're keeping secrets with me.
Alfonso has had feelings for me for a long time now, and there he is, proving himself as if I would say yes to him.
Seriously, sister? You have a suitor? Wow, with that kind of attitude.
Am I a criminal to you, Abby, huh?
Alfonso did everything to prove himself to Carmelita. Carmelita realizes that Alfonso did everything to keep his promises to her.
Mom, I'm ready to give my sweet yes to Alfonso. He really proves himself to me, and I think that's enough.
If that's what you want, darling, I think Alfonso would going to take care of you. That's why I'm not worried.
Alfonso, we have something to tell you.
What is it?
I know that you like me, and you have been courting me for years now. And you prove yourself you're worthy of me. So that's why I'm saying yes, and I'm officially accepting you as my lover.
Seriously? Yes! Thank you, darling. I will love you for the rest of my life.
Love is scary. It changes, and it can go away. That's the part of the risk, and I don't want to be scared anymore.
Please, don't hurt my daughter. She's our treasure. You must love and take care of her for the rest of your life.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't bother, just call me Dad. Dad.
Pork na noon. Pork. Tara nga, di makita. Stop.
To tell you.
Was it?
Huy!
Ay, musta siyo?
Start naman sa song.
Ayun, sa call.
Ayaw, madunggan mo na ano.
Ayaw mo, no?
Kung ano na akong voice.
Dali, masad kayo.
Asa daw.
Hello, good morning. Madam, welcome about
Oh, sorry ka.